So I found this interesting thing on how to search for packages on a Debian machine uh, using this program called apt file. So before you can use it, I have this Debian machine. First of all, if I look at its release name, it's Debian 9 stretch, Debian Linux 9. So let me first install apt file. So I'll run apt get update and apt get install apt file. Just pass -y so that it doesn't prompt for any confirmation. Alright, so apt file is now installed. It's asking me that the release file is expired. It wants me to update. So just like we update apt get, we can also update apt file. So I can run apt file update. Oops. Oh, it seems it didn't install it in the first time. Alright, so it's installing it now. So now it has installed apt file. So it says you may want to run apt file update. So I'll go ahead and run apt file update. So it's updating my apt file. So now that I have apt file updated, I can do apt file search using a regular expression and say I want to search the package which has ping utility. So basically it should end with ping. Do this. So here it comes. So these are all the packages essentially which ends with ping. It has some program which ends essentially something in the package which ends with ping. Now this is how you can start to figure out what is it that is most relevant to you, or it can basically be the first start point for your search, and then you can go ahead and start googling it if you want. However, if you are familiar with the package name and you just couldn't recall the exact name of it, you can also do it this way. So because I'm familiar with the package name, I know it's iputils-ping. By the way, similarly, I can also search for other programs. Now, let's say, for example, I want top program. Now, I'm not sure if you know top. Top is is a Linux operating system command which shows you all the running processes in a free flow way. It just keeps it running. So I'll see which packages have top package, have top program in them. Alright, so here comes all the list of packages. BroCTL, Crossfire Maps. Alright, user bin top. So this looks fairly the one that is most relevant to me, proc ps. So if I run top right now, okay, I already have it installed in this case, but that's how basically you can find what all packages have a particular program that you are searching for. Now apt file, in this case I'm doing a regex search, but you can do it other ways. So basically if I do a non-regex search, if I just search for top, I'll see a lot of packages which have the word top in them. So you'll see there's like a huge list of packages which has top somewhere in them, which is not very helpful to me. So it says top right active.png. So like there are packages which have an image um, that has the word top in it. On the other hand, it also shows that you can search for literally anything. Like you don't have to search only for executable programs, you can even search for images. Now if I needed a program which has one particular image in it, I can literally search for that particular image, and like this entire thing is what I can search for. So that's it about this apt file and how it works. I know it was a no-brainer for some people, but for me it was a new learning, and so I thought I'll just quickly share it on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you learned something new today. Let me know in comments what are the things you would like me to cover on my YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and do them. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.